Okay, welcome to another Programming Exam Solution tutorial. This is for the AQA paper 1 and it's words with AQA. What I want to do now is to have a little look at just a really nice little feature about finding the maximum score from your hand. So you've got a set of tiles and you want to know, basically want to cheat, what's the best word that I could lay. From our mock we did this. Give you a second to read it. You can pause, of course. So I actually did it as a little hidden menu feature, but of course you could do it as after you've had your go, you've laid your hand down, and then it says, "Oh, your maximum score you could have achieved was blah." And they could even ask you to do something numeric with that. You know, if you got a bonus mark for getting over a certain percentage of the score. I don't know. There's all sorts of things they could do with this, which is why I like it. So let's have a little look. Max score from hand. All we're really doing is same as you've probably done 100 times before. Finding the biggest value from an array. So having a temporary max holder. A little bit more complicated because of course we're searching through words, getting their score and remembering the score. Thing is, all those things already exist, so it's a really sort of good use of, well, structured programming, to be honest. It's not really OOP, this program, is it? So we're going to look through every word, and then we're just going to check it works the hands, get the score. If it's the highest score, we're going to store it. Let's have a look at the code. So this is the code we're looking at. I did it as a hidden choice 9, but didn't, so there's other ways of doing it. For every word in allowed words, loop through the whole of allowed words. Then check if the current word being assessed in the loop works with check word is in tiles. Then we're going to use get score, but we're going to stick it into a temporary score. Okay. Also, we're then going to assess to see if that temporary score is greater than the current max score. If it is, we'll overwrite the temporary max score, and we're going to remember what that highest word is. Of course, we're going to use it. So I'll give you a second. Obviously, there's a couple of declarations up here somewhere. Temporary max score and highest scored word. And they need to be assessed. They need to be initialised as 0 and a null string. You'll always get told what the output is, but for this particular one, zoom out a little bit. This is the output I chose. That when you select 9, it says the highest scored word is the highest scoring word, and it will get you this many points. And that is a really sweet bit of using existing user-defined functions within the program. And it's hard, I would say has a really good chance of coming up in this format, or I don't know, maybe one of the other formats I said. I really hope that you found that useful. As always, give comments. I am a bit sorry that I'm very sorry that this is so late, but hopefully it'll still be useful to you.